Hello, so simply we want to solve the equation, right? So given this 4m minus 3 over 5 equal to 2m plus 1 over 5. So we want to solve and find the value of m. Solution. So what's the next thing you do? First thing you do is, first of all, let me write it out. You have what? 4m minus 3 over 5 equal to 2m plus 1 over 5. You cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you have what? 5 into what? 4m minus 3 equal to 5 into what? 2m plus 3. So this is actually meaning that you distribute into this with distribute 5 into this, and also distribute 5 into this and this, the first and the second term, right? So if we do that, you have 4 times 5 times 4 will give you what? 20m minus 5 times 3 will give you 15 equal to 5 times 2m will give you what? 10m. 5 times 1 will give you 5. All right, so the next thing we'll do is you collect like terms. Collect like terms. Hence you have what? 20m, this will come to this side, minus 10m equal to 5 plus, this will come to this side, 15m. What do we have? We have 10m equal to 20. Then you divide both sides with coefficient of m. Divided by 10, divided by 10. This will cancel this. 0 will cancel 0. Hence, our m is equal to 2. Because 2 divided by 1 will give you 2.